What's up guys? Welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today we're gonna review the Nerd Miner. It's a USB miner under $25. That's right, it's a really inexpensive way to start mining Bitcoin. It's a solo miner, which means you're trying your luck to hit a block. It features a very low hash rate, and it also has a color screen and Wi-Fi. So why would you buy one? You'll buy one to give it a try, to start mining at the lowest cost possible, just to get lucky. Maybe you find a block, most likely never, because it's really weak. However, it still mines Bitcoin, which is incredible. It features a color screen and a Wi-Fi, and it powers from a USB, so you can plug it in any USB device or any power USB. It actually takes less than a watt, less than light bulb or anything. It's so small, takes no power, and you don't have to plug it into a computer. You can plug it into a USB hub, an extra port behind you, anywhere, behind your router, on the wall. Because it has Wi-Fi, you set up with Wi-Fi and you're done. Let me show you how to set it up. So the first thing you do is plug it in to a USB port. I'm gonna plug it into my computer just because I have a USB port there. A screen will show up and it will start initiation. It will ask you to set up the Wi-Fi on your phone. We're gonna do that right now together. Alright guys, we are on the homepage of bitcoinmerch.com. You see the Nerd Miner 2, $24.99. Now I plug the USB in, as you see on the video. Plug it into any port you want. It doesn't have to be a computer, just to have power. The next step is to find that USB miner on your Wi-Fi network. Once you plug it in, it will create a new network. You see Nerd Miner AP. That's the one we're gonna use, okay? Now we're gonna go on my phone, because I'm logged in on Wi-Fi on my phone with the same network, to 192.168.4.1. once we have the Wi-Fi setup going. Now we see a screen that says configure Wi-Fi, info, exit, and update. We're gonna go to configure Wi-Fi. Here we're gonna configure the Wi-Fi on this network so it can log in and connect to the blockchain and the Bitcoin. It only supports 2G, so if you don't find your Wi-Fi here, go back to your router and set up 2G network, or maybe call your network provider and ask for a 2G guest network. It can be a separate network just for that if you want. And we're gonna select my Wi-Fi, and also I'm gonna put the password in. By default, you see it's public pool, which supports this small hash rate. Now, because this miner has a tiny amount of hash rate, most pools will not support it. But public pool will support it and will hash for you. So make sure to keep that. And let's go ahead and also change the Bitcoin address to your Bitcoin address, so you mine and not someone else. So I'm gonna do those and hit save. I enter my Bitcoin address. Now I just hit save. Now we wait and see how the screen resets and start mining. Let's go. Here we go. It's loading for the first time, and here we go. We're start mining. You see on the screen, it shows you how long you've been mining and all that. It shows you the temperature of the CPU. And here is the hash rate, 73, which is very low for this little stick. But yeah, we are running, and this is a pretty nice device. You know, it has a little bit of a flash LED in the back, and it's really small. Again, takes barely any power. Just keep it running and hope for the best. And that is it. This is how you set up the Nerd Miner. So simple, so easy, so quick, so inexpensive. Why not give it a try? Start mining, start somewhere. Now you can learn what mining means, what hash rate means, what the blockchain, how does it work, and then you can go buy more advanced miner, bigger miner, USB miners that do a lot more hash rate, or even open your own farm one day. But this can be your starting point. Check it out, link below. Get yours today, give it a try. Don't forget to leave a comment below. What do you think about this little guy? And leave a like if you like the video. See you guys next time. Peace.